you for joining us today. We are going to take a walkthrough of deploying DxOperator, DX Enterprise SQL AG VR Venture. So let's log in to our Venture deployment on AKS. Okay, so we have a cluster, basically a Kubernetes service, a cluster deploy on AKS. And here we have our 3-node AKS cluster that we will deploy the DxOperator and the DX Enterprise SQL AG VR this platform. So first, let's go ahead and deploy our DxOperator. So click on that and scroll down, and you should find the DxOperator on the list. Select it, and there's no prerequisite for the DxOperator. Again, the DxOperator is a Kubernetes controller that allows you to easily deploying SQL Server VR venture here. So fine. Yeah, like our DxOperator has been successfully installed. So the next we will install DX Enterprise and SQL Server. So I can minimize that. So for this deployment, we are the operator through Ventures here. We obviously needs to set up a few secrets that require by DX Enterprise and SQL AG. So let's go ahead and do so. First, secrets, create. Okay. Not fine. I'm going to just I'll do it to the test namespace. That would be fine. So then that would be C. And the values we want to deploy are DX passkey. And something simple for now. And then we also want to deploy the license key for DX Enterprise. And you can get yourself a developer key at DHUI.com trial. Okay. That. And of course, we also need to create a SQL Server secrets that store MS SQL Server SA password. So let's go ahead and like that. Okay, now that we have the prerequisite done for the DXE MS SQL AG chart, let's go ahead and install our chart. And this obviously using the DxOperator as a controller to deploy it. So install and customize. And we want to can verify if the other things that we want to do is correctly specified here. In this case, we are deploying 3 synchronous replica, no async, no config, and the AG name, we're gonna give it to the AG1, but really you can give anything you want, right? So, all right there, and for the options, we can do contain. Since this is a 22 SQL Server, contain is now supported. So do that. Go ahead and create a load balancer so we can get access to it externally. And for DXE, accept the EULA. And we want to specify the secrets where it store our license key and so on. So there, and for SQL Server, essentially the same thing. MS SQL, and that's about it. So next. All right, so DX Enterprise and SQL Server AG is now being deployed via the operator. And look like it is already the push out. So let's take a look to see if our services devices. So you can see there DX Enterprise SQL AG is correctly pushed out. It looked like a load balancer is already created. So let's take a look. And there's our load balancer IP. So let's go and grab that. And let's connect to it via our SSMS. Okay. We better make sure that we get the correct password. Let's double check here. Oh, it's on lowercase. There we go. So we can see here we have an AG created. So let's go ahead and take a look, right? The dashboard. There we go. So we have a synchronous replica AG deployed via DxOperator through Ranger. And it's really that simple, that quick. If you click, you should have yourself a fully functional DX Enterprise SQL AG cluster up and running on AKS. Well, thank you for joining us today. That is all it takes to deploy SQL AG in AKS or any cloud environment via Ranger.